Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice dispenser motor in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a hammer. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice dispenser motor. The ice dispenser motor rotates the auger inside the ice container, pushing the ice forward through the dispenser. If you don't hear the familiar noise when the ice lever is pressed and you're not getting any ice cubes out of the dispenser, the ice dispenser motor should be checked and replaced if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Pull out the ice bin. To get to the motor, we need to remove this mounting bracket. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take out the 4 mounting screws and lift off the bracket. Open the tab with the flat blade screwdriver and disconnect the wire plug at the back. Bring the dispenser motor and bracket assembly to the workable surface. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the wires from the 2 motor terminals and the single green ground wire. Next, we will remove the motor coupling. It's a left-handed thread, so it must be turned clockwise. Using the hammer, knock the coupling hard in the clockwise direction. The coupling should get loose. Unscrew and remove the coupling and put it aside. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, unscrew the 3 mounting screws and remove the old ice dispenser motor. This is the old ice dispenser motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Hold the new ice dispenser motor and secure it to the mounting bracket with the 3 1/4-inch screws. Connect the 2 wires to the motor terminals. The order is not important. And then install the green ground wire on the small terminal. Screw on the motor coupling, turning it counterclockwise. Using the hammer, knock it hard to tighten it again in the counterclock direction. It's ready for the installation. Bring the assembly into the freezer, hold it, and connect the plug at the back. Install the bracket on the supports, match the holes, and secure it with the 4 1/4-inch screws. Slide the ice bin in and close the door. And plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.